In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Zendesk. By the end, your replies will include a clean, professional sign-off automatically, saving you time and keeping your communication consistent. First, make sure you're signed into your Zendesk support account with permission to access settings. At the top of the support interface, look for the drop-down arrow. It's typically near your profile area or the product switcher. Click that drop-down to open the menu that lets you get to your configuration tools. From that menu, choose Admin Center. This opens the Settings hub where you can control how Zendesk behaves for agents and customers. If this option isn't visible, you may need an admin or the appropriate role to proceed. Once the Admin Center loads, find and click the Workspace icon. The Workspace section groups together the options that shape the agent experience. If you're unsure which icon it is, hover over the icons to reveal their labels. Inside Workspace, select Agent Interface. This is the area that controls how things look and feel for your team as they work tickets, and it includes the signature setting we need. In the Agent Interface page, locate the signature field. Click into that field and type the exact signature you want Zendesk to append to your messages. Keep it concise and useful. Your name, role or team, and 1 or 2 key contact details or links are usually enough. Aim for 2 to 5 short lines so it stays readable on both desktop and mobile. If your organization has brand or legal requirements, include those elements here as plain text. Avoid large images or long banners. Many customers read emails in clients that strip images or collapse long footers, and simpler signatures tend to look more professional across devices. You can also add basic formatting like line breaks to keep it tidy. Before you move on, take a moment to proofread for spelling, spacing, and consistency with your team's standards. When your signature looks right, scroll down and click Save. Wait a moment for the confirmation that your changes have been applied. If the Save button is disabled, check the page for required fields or permission notices, then try again. From now on, your new signature will automatically appear when you compose or reply to tickets in support. If you ever need to tweak it, return to the same agent interface page, update the text, and save again. That's it. A quick, reliable way to add a polished signature in Zendesk and keep every message on brand. Thanks for watching.